welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming in my kitchen area because I'm going to be sharing with you all 3 trendy summer refreshment recipes. So if you all would like to see how I make these drinks, then let's get started. So this first drink is super easy. It's perfect for those who aren't into super sugary sweet drinks. This drink is just a glass of water and we are going to add in some watermelon coconut ice cubes. Very refreshing, perfect to keep you hydrated throughout the summertime. So I will go ahead and show you how that is done. For this recipe, you will need a blender, an ice cube tray, coconut water, watermelons, and lime juice. So starting off with 1 cup of watermelon, I'm going to add that into the blender. And then we will be adding in 1/3 cup of coconut water. And then 1 teaspoon of lime juice. So I'm just taking half cup of lime and squeezing it into the blender. So I pop the lid back onto the blender and we are going to blend it at the lowest setting. Alrighty, it looks like that is done and literally it is that simple. Now we are just going to pour this mixture into our ice cube tray. So this batch makes about 16 ice cubes. I'm going to pop it into the freezer now until they are frozen. This next recipe is so beautiful. It is a sparkling cherry pineapple lemonade. You're going to want to start off with a glass, some pineapple ice cubes, which you can make from pineapple juice. You also need cherry 7-Up, lemonade, cherries, and of course some lemon to top it off. First, you want to start off filling your glass halfway with some pineapple ice cubes. Fill halfway with cherry 7-Up. Then we are going to fill the other half with some lemonade. And now to add some lemon and cherries on top. If you're like me, I'm going to add more than 1 cherries because I love them. And then to complete the look, I'm just going to put in a decorated cute straw. And then you have your sparkling cherry pineapple lemonade. Yum! I'm actually really thirsty right now. Ooh, this is good. For our final refreshment, we will be making mermaid punch. For this recipe, you will need watermelon juice, pineapple juice, lime juice, as well as some limes to garnish it with. Starting off with some ice in my glass, first I will be pouring half a cup of watermelon juice. Now for the other half, I will be adding pineapple juice. And then I'm just going to top it with some lime juice and limes. And then of course to top it off with a cute look, we will be adding a decorated paper straw. We have our mermaid punch. That's amazing! And now let's go check out our watermelon coconut ice cubes. So it looks like our watermelon coconut ice cubes are frozen, so now I'm just going to fill the glass up halfway with some of these ice cubes. And then just fill your glass up with some water or coconut water, and you have yourself a nice watermelon coconut ice cube water. That's good. These ice cubes are also perfect just for snacking on a nice hot summer day. Thank you all so much for watching my Trendy Summer Sips refreshments. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to watch weekly uploads. And I hope you all have a magical day. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!